Hello guys, and today we're going to show you how to do a quick paperclip test on your EVGA power supply. This is a really useful test. You can do it if your power supply is brand new and you just want to make sure that it is working correctly out of the box, or if you're having issues with your computer and you think the power supply may play a part in that. This test will help you determine whether or not the power supply is in fact part of that issue. So we have here an 850 watt G3. Basically everything, power to the wall, a power cord to the wall, your power supply obviously, a motherboard cable. In this case we have a sleeved modular cable that plugs into this unit, your detection tool. This is a small little block that will come with your power supply. Most EVGA power supplies will come with this. This allows you to trick your power supply into believing that it is being powered on by a motherboard. Lets you test the power supply while it's not connected to a computer. If you do not have this, we also call this the paperclip test because you can just use a standard paperclip, if I can pick it up, to bridge the pins in the 24-pin cable and get the unit to power on. So we're going to start with our unit here. On the back of the unit there is the main power switch. There's also an eco mode switch. Very important when you're doing this test, you want to make sure the eco mode switch is turned off. The reason for this is that to determine whether or not your power supply is working with no computer connected, the only thing that you really have for feedback is the fan. If the fan is on and running, then the power supply is on and running and likely working just fine. If you turn the eco mode on, the fan will remain off unless there's enough load or temperature in this unit that it needs to turn on its fan. So for the test, it's kind of a moot point if you have that turned on. We want to leave it off. So first things first, we're going to plug it into the wall.